A 2018 Chevy Silverado, and it's got a Bose system and a 7-inch screen. So what you're gonna do, if you're gonna hook up a backup camera, you wanna come down here. You wanna remove all of these right there. You wanna, it's a T15, got right there, 4 right here and 2 on the bottom right here. And then you just take it out. Once you got it out, you wanna come down here. You see the first plug right next to the blue antenna. Bear with me right here. So you want to push this clip right there. Where's my hands at? Right there. Let me show you right there better. Clip right there and pull it down. So once you pull it down, you want to hook it up to the I'm gonna give you the number right there. So right there. 2 options. You can order this thing. It's called Cam GM51. This is about 20 bucks, I believe. Right here, if you want to hook it up manually, you want to hook it up, if you want to hardwire it, you can hook up the gray yellow right there. You see this gray yellow to the positive side of the jack, and then white and blue to the negative side. As you can see right here, it's the same thing. See, the yellow is for the video positive, and then the next to it is the negative. And if you want to get the pin number, the pin, I can't even see. So if you're trying to look at the pin number, it would be go count from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is positive, 6 is negative. So 5 and 6, that's what you need to use. And like I said, if you want a hardwire, I'm going to show you how you're going to do that. You want to get an RCA jack. I mean, if you think about it, if you buy a $20 one, you buy a jack might cost you more than that. But for some of you that doesn't have the plug that I'm talking about, the best way is this one. So you need to find out which one's positive. This is a positive and this is a negative. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn this on to right there. It's called continuity test. So basically, if I touch together, it makes sounds. So I think this white one is positive, but I'm not sure. Nope, white one's negative. See, that's negative. So black one is positive on this jack itself. So every jack is different. So you're gonna have to see, watch, I'm gonna put on the black one. See that noise? So once you do that, you just go and put the positive to the gray yellow, and the negative, you're gonna hook it up to the white and blue. I'm gonna strip it. Well, I got it all hooked up, and like I said, the gray yellow to the black, and then the can't even see, white blue is to the negative. And I'm gonna try not plug it in, see if it works. I might have to plug it in for it to work. So we'll find out in a second, see if it's gonna work without plugging it in. So what happened is, let's see it's gonna work or not. I'm on reverse. So reverse, you're gonna see all this. You're gonna have to go to a setting. I'm gonna show you how to set it. I'm coming over here to the setting. I'm gonna go to the factory setting. Take that out. Click 8 times for the password. Once I'm gonna get in there, I'm gonna press protocol, perimeter setting. So what I'm gonna be doing, reverse camera format. I'm gonna change that format to the NTC and see what happened. Okay, let's see. Take it home and put it on reverse and see the camera looks right. There we go. And that is the camera. It's format to the picture of the car. And then thanks for, well, I should say thanks for watching, and like and subscribe and share and comment below. And like I said, it took me a while trying to figure that out, because I thought I bought the wrong harness. I tried to plug it right here, and then I realized that this is only 8 and mine's got 10. So that's not working. So I look all over here, I see nothing until I go over there. So, and that is how you do it. So after, if I didn't plug this thing back in, you get no sound. So you're gonna have to plug that in, plug that back in. If you don't plug it in, you're gonna get no sound. But if you bought this wire right here, you get sound because they bypass these already right here. So as you can see right there, they bypass all that up and down right there. Well, I don't know if it's up and down. Let me see. So the only thing different from this one is that you had to connect it a certain way. You connected across. So if the top one, you want to go to the bottom, and then this top one right there, you want to go to the opposite side. So a crisscross. And this is if you plug this thing in. They already made that. But if you plug this thing back in, you should get sound and video. This is a 2018 and it's got a Bose system right here. So this is 2500 HD. It's the Chevy Silverado. So the plug that came with it is the gray and the gray right there. So what I did, I hook up the gray to here and used the aftermarket gray to over here to plug that in. And you can see this wire right there. Now the green wire for the steering wheel, I asked myself, why do I need that? I don't need that because everything's controlled from here anyway. Because what I have to do differently from all the install, it does come with the GM11 right here, CAN bus, and I plugged in this thing for the backup camera, and then I also, as you can see, I ran the aux over here so I can get the sound out of it. So on the radio right there, you got to go and change the aux. I will do the setting and show it to you later. And everything else hooks pretty much the same. The aux, I'm gonna hook it up over here to the aux output right there. Audio output, I'm sorry, audio output, and plug in like this. I'm gonna try to run the wire all the way down to this aux right there. I hope I have a long enough wire because the wire look pretty short. So we'll figure it out on that one. The rest of them are just basic hookup. And the camera, as you can see on my other link, I will share a link to hook that up for the camera.